Hey guys, welcome to your very own YouTube channel Success Sequence where we deal analyze Nifty and Bank Nifty's important move and expected level for the next day. So if you analyze the today's price action, what you can see is the previous day's low has been acting as a support for the market, and from that particular level only market did show a good sort of up move, and finally you can see that the market is now closed above 89 days exponential moving average. So if you see from here that each and every candle has been breaking its exponential moving average and there was no sign of recovery. This particular candle did try, but it was not able to close above the exponential moving average. But now you can see that after this kind of down move, what you can see is a first candle that has emerged that has broken above its immediate resistance, which is the previous day's moving average, and now you can see that the market is trading on a high side. Now in my previous video also I did mention that if at all market happens to go down, and if you see some sort of rejection near the lower level, near 10,400 kind of level, you should definitely go long. So you can see that this particular trade did give us a good sort of risk reward, because the risk was slightly near 10,395, so there was not sort of much loss, but we can also aim for the higher targets of 89 days exponential moving average. So those who have traded definitely benefited today. Now what we are going to do is, today, since the Nifty and Bank Nifty both have seen the expiry of this month's contract, May's contract, and the June series has started now. So let us see the what rollover data are suggesting, what the option activity range is, and how we can try and trade this particular move. So first we'll analyze the option activity range. 10,200 to 11,000 is the broad option activity range for the market. So now what you can see here is the support has shifted on a lower side, and the resistance is still placed at 11,000 level only. So 500 points on upside and 300 points of downside, that sort of move is what we are expecting in this particular month. Now if you see the call side, what you can see is a fresh bullish position has been formed near all the strike prices, but the volume is not so much convincing. So still the aggressive players has gone long, but we are definitely want to see a good sort of a change in open interest to go long in this particular market. Now if you see the put data, you can again see the data in line with the bullish move, because a fresh put writing has happened. So rollover data did suggest that the market participants are expecting some sort of support near this particular level and expecting a market to trade in a stable to bullish kind of move. But why we have not gone long, I will be explaining to you in just a moment. So let me just tell you first the analysis of MACD. So here you can see in this particular level we have received support of MACD. Here you can see the prices this went on to a very nice sort of up move here. So now that you can also see that the exact support of MACD has prevailed here. So if this crossover happens to get matured, you can definitely expect a good sort of move, and this month's move could be 10,800 sort of level. So if you want to take some sort of risk, what you can do is you can definitely buy 10,800 call. If this move emerges from the if this move comes, you are definitely going to make good money, because 10,800 call will give you a good sort of return. However, it will be a risky move. If market does not go there, you can definitely going to lose your premium that you have paid for purchase of that option. Now if you see CCI is already is also suggesting a support. So there is a support of moving average, and the support of CCI is now also there. If you see on the lower side, RSI support is also holding on to. So what I feel is this particular level should act as a support for the market, and stable to bullish move is what you can expect. However, if you want to go long, wait for the market to trade on a high side above its 55 days exponential moving average. If that happens, the RSI will be in a plus 50 zone. That will be a good chance that from this particular level market will not go much down, and we can see a stable to bullish kind of move as per my system. So that was my analysis for the Nifty. Now let us see what the Bank Nifty is suggesting. We are also going to see the rollover data for the Bank Nifty as well. So let us open the option activity range for the Nifty first. So 25,500 to 26,500 is what we can see on the chart as of the option activity range. Now if you see the call data, you can see a good amount of bullish position, but still the change in open interest, the volume is not that much of aggression. So let us wait for that. And now let us see the put data. Good amount of put writing has happened. Support is there near the lower level. So here if you see, there will be a good sort of support near the level 25,600 will act as a good support. You will definitely going to see good sort of put writing near this particular level. Now the market has already broken out from the all of its exponential moving average, and you are, if this particular move continues, what you are going to observe is a bullish crossover, which is 8 days simple and 8 days exponential moving average crossover. If you have not watched my videos on to how to analyze the bullish and bearish move, I will highly recommend you should check out the video description. You will find a detailed playlist there. So as I have been suggesting in my previous videos, is that the bank nifty is sort of outperforming the nifty, and you are going to see a good sort of bullish move if this crossover continues. Further, you are already observing a bullish crossover in MACD. RSI is already shifting on a high side, and the RSI on the moving average on a RSI is already generated an exponential crossover. So all these things are suggesting that the market can go high. 25 6,500 is the level which we are expecting if this bullish crossover matures. There will be a good support near the lower level around 25,600. So that is what my analysis are for the Nifty and Bank Nifty. We are not going to trade aggressively in this particular market. We are only going to take a trade if all the things like option chart data, price action, support, and crossover in MACD, CCI, and RSI, all those things gets in line. Then only we are going to take a trade, and the result will be also shown to you. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope, as always, you have liked my video. If you have, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, share it to your friends and family on Facebook, WhatsApp, and Telegram. In case if you have any doubt, you can always mention in the comment section of the video. If you want to learn how I am generating buy and sell signal, and how moving average, MACD, and CCI and RSI can be used to take a trade, you should definitely check out the videos that I have made. You will find the playlist in the video description. That's it for today's, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.